Hello students, today we will see chapter 14 comparisons of page 78. So let us open page 78. Students, comparisons means tulnatmak. So let us read first step. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Students, here what we have to do is that first we have to look at the pictures, then we have to read the sentences. And when we read the sentences, we have to understand that what the sentences speak to us. So let us see. Students, here we can see the pictures of the boy. First one is Raman, then the second one is Raja. So let us see the sentence. Raman is tall, but Raja is taller. Means Raman लंबा है, लेकिन रमन से लंबा राजा है. Next, here the picture of rhino and the other one is elephant. So the sentence is, the rhino is heavy but the elephant is heavier. Means गेंडा वजन में भारी है, लेकिन गेंडा से भी भारी कौन है? हाथी. हाथी गेंडा से भी भारी है. Next, here it is the picture of bun and this one is cake. So the sentence is, the bun is soft but the cake is softer. Means पाव बन यानी पाव रोटी नरम है, लेकिन इससे भी नरम यानी पाव रोटी से भी नरम केक है. Next, here this one is the picture of knife and this one is shape knife. So the sentence is, this knife is sharp but that shape knife is sharper. Means यह चाकू तेज है, लेकिन इस चाकू से तेज रसोई का चाकू तेज है. Next, here this one is cockroach and the other one is ant. So the sentence is, cockroach is small but an ant is smaller than a cockroach. Means तिलचट्टा छोटा है, लेकिन उससे भी छोटा यानी तिलचट्टा से भी छोटा चींटी है. Next, this one is watermelon, the other one is pumpkin. Here we will see the sentence, watermelon is big but the pumpkin is bigger than the watermelon. Means तरबूज बड़ा है, लेकिन तरबूज से भी बड़ा लौकी है. Next page, page 79. Let us see what is given in the box. In all the above sentences, two things have been compared. Means, students, in page 78, which we saw the sentences, those sentences are compared between two people, animal and things. Next, we will see. Whenever we compare two things, people, places or animals, we use the ER form of the adjectives. This is called the comparative form. Means, students, जब हम दो व्यक्तियों, दो जगहों, दो चीज़ों या दो जानवरों के बीच तुलना करते हैं, तो विशेषण यानी एडजेक्टिव्स में ER लगाकर शब्द का प्रयोग करते हैं. Like example, the word tall is adjective, but here we see in the word tall ER is added, so the word become taller. So by the word taller itself speaks of comparison between two people. So it is called comparative form. Like here we see in the picture, Raman is tall. But again, we see the picture of Raja. he is also tall. But students, Raja is taller than Raman. Next, now read the following sentences. A. Meena is fair. Rani is fairer. But Tanya is the fairest. Means मीना गोरी है और मीना से गोरी रानी है, लेकिन मीना और रानी से भी गोरी तानिया है. Next B. The bull is fat. The rhino is fatter. But the elephant is the fattest. Means बैल मोटा है और बैल से मोटा गेंडा है, लेकिन बैल और गेंडा से भी मोटा हाथी है. Next, C. The rabbit runs fast. The deer runs faster. But the cheetah is the fastest. Means खरगोश तेज दौड़ता है और खरगोश से तेज हिरन दौड़ता है, लेकिन खरगोश और हिरन से भी तेज चीता दौड़ता है. Let us see what is given in the box. In all the above sentences, more than two things have been compared. Means students, here we read the sentences. In all the sentences we saw that in the sentences it is compared of more than two people and more than two animals. Next, in such a situation, the est form of the adjective is used. This is called the superlative form. Means students, when we compare one person among more than two people, then in adjective form we use the word est. So this is only called superlative form. Next, now look at the table and see how the adjectives of comparison are formed. Students, now we will see positive, comparative and superlative. First of all, I will introduce you of these three words. How to use this. So first we will see positive. Students, positive is only for one thing, one people or animal. Like example, I give you one example in sentence. Rita is happy. Students, in the sentence Rita is happy, we spoke only about one person. Next, comparative. Students, in comparative, it is for two things. Means when we compare the one person with other person. Like example, Rita is happy, but Rani is happier than Rita. So in this sentence, Rita is happy, but Rani is happier than Rita. We are comparing to Rani with Rita, that Rani is happier than Rita. Next, superlative. Students, superlative is for more than two things. Means when we compare one person with more than two people. Like example, Mohan is the happiest boy in our class. So, in this sentence, Mohan is the happiest boy in our class. Students, this sentence tells us that in the class all are happy, but above all, the boy Mohan is the happiest boy in the class. So students, I have completed identifying you with the word positive, comparative and superlative. So now we will see the table how it is given the words. So first, in positive, happy. Happy means खुशी या सुखी. Then comparative, happier. Superlative, happiest. Next, in positive, sad means dukhi. Comparative, sadder. Superlative, saddest. Next, positive, loud means ऊंचे स्वर. Comparative, louder. Then superlative, loudest. Next, positive, easy means आसान. Comparative, easier. Superlative, easiest. Next, positive, dirty means ganda या मैला. Comparative, dirtier. Then superlative, dirtiest. Next, positive, cheap means सस्ता. Comparative, cheaper. Then superlative, cheapest. Next, positive, great means वृहत या बहुत बढ़िया. So comparative, greater. Then superlative is greatest. Next, positive, big means बड़ा. Comparative, bigger. Then superlative, biggest. Next, positive, fast means जल्दी या तीव्र. So comparative is faster. Then superlative, fastest. So we have completed reading the table. Next we will see some adjectives do not follow the above rule. They are changed with use of different words. Means students, some adjectives don't follow any rule as above table it is given. They are changed with use of different words. Let us see how is it. Like here, good. In positive we see good means अच्छा. Comparative it is different. In above we had seen here happy, then it became happier. There only it is added er and or sometime it is added ier, and in superlative iest. But here it is different, we can see. In comparative, for good it is given better, then superlative best. Next, positive bad means kharab. So for comparative it is given worse and superlative worst. Next, positive many means anek. So for comparative more and for superlative most. Next word for positive beautiful means khubsurat. So in comparative more beautiful and superlative most beautiful. So students, I have completed explaining to you on the chapter 14 in comparisons. I think you understood the chapter, what I have explained to you, and I would tell you, please go through the chapter once again thoroughly and try to understand it. So for today, we end the class here. Thank you.